Today, we celebrate the groundbreaking of Phase 2B of Bridgepointe, a key expansion in this dynamic mixed-use development.
Because when you break ground, you bow down to the earth. Of course, nowadays, the earth is an expensive commodity. But whether we like it or not, we have to admit, nobody created the earth. The earth is a creation of God.
Following the Holy Mass, the priest sprinkled us with holy water, offering his blessings for a successful journey ahead. We then gathered for a group photo with the sales team and brokers to commemorate this special occasion. At this time, the host introduced the CEO and key members of the company, recognizing their leadership and vision in making Bridgepointe a reality. Bridgepointe in Del Rosario, Pampanga, is an emerging mixed-use development designed to create a vibrant, sustainable community. Strategically located in the heart of the region, it offers modern residential units, retail spaces, and recreational areas, making it an ideal destination for families, businesses, and investors. In the latter part, we all flew the balloons that had green and orange colors, watching them float gracefully into the sky as the wind gently carried them away.